All right, guys. Well, happy Saturday. Back at this, trying to figure out this clicking noise. As I showed in the last one, let me get down here real quick. As I showed in the last video, we had that the brake line hose bracket was loose, so I've got that secured now. And someone left a comment to use one of the hose clamps, the padded hose clamps. That's essentially one of these around the bar, and then bolt the bracket to that. So I did order an assortment of those. I haven't got to it yet because I wanted to test this first, but that's exactly what I'll do here. I'll put the clamp around there and then run a bolt through there, secure that. But for now, it is tight. And I did take it around the block, and unfortunately that was not the issue. So diving back further and looking at everything under here, only thing I could think is maybe there's something bound up in the suspension. So I redid the upper bar. I took those apart and they were pretty tight, so I re-lubed all those here and here. And then forgot the so I got the anti-roll bar. So figured maybe I still had that set up for racing, so took one link out, and maybe that was causing something to shift. You're not supposed to ride around with these on the street. But also I thought maybe it was something in the coilovers, so I took my double adjustables off because I bought those used, so they're kind of unknown. I put these new set of strange I bought these brand new, so I know these are good. Put these strange single adjustables on just to check. Took it around the block and it still was making the noise, so then I figured, let's look into this. Let's take one side of the ARB, the anti-roll bar, off and see if that was causing extra pressure somewhere in the rear suspension and causing something to click. So also the anti-roll bar was dry as a bone, so it was very hard to turn with no pressure on it. So as you can see here, I greased up the fitting and everything, so it moves freely now. So there was a few things, I went through, recentered the rear end, reset the pinion angle. The rear end should move more freely. So I'm going to get this back down off the jack stands, and we'll take it around the block and see if that fixes it. Also, working under here, I realized how dirty it is under here. So after this, I am going to back it out in the driveway, jack it up as high as I can in the back, cover up the exhaust, and I'm going to take my power washer and degreaser to the whole underside here as far as I can get, in this area here. So that's kind of the plan. Let's get this off the jack stands and see if resetting this rear suspension made the difference. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Just letting it warm up a little bit, and we'll go around and see if resetting this rear suspension and taking off one side of the anti-roll bar got the click out of the rear end. All right, let's see what we got. So far I don't hear it, so that's good.
I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, much better. I think we got rid of that popping sound, so that's good. Alright guys, I'm happy with that. Alright, so it sounds like we got the clicking sound done, squared away. There's some normal rattles back there. It's a drag race suspension. You know, it's not set up for being smooth on the street. But anyway, got that fixed. Got a few other things to mess around with, and still working on the high compression 333 289 stroker build. So that stuff's still at the machine shop, but got quite a bit done with the heads, and ordered some parts to get the heads and do some upgraded springs on the Pro Max heads for that, so that should be good. But anyway, it looks like I could bring the idle speed up on this a tiny bit. Thanks everybody.